In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for inventory management. Managing inventory can often feel like a daunting task, especially if you're not using the right tools. That's where Monday.com comes in, offering a flexible and user-friendly platform that can transform how you track and manage your stock. Whether you're a small business owner, a manager in a large corporation, or someone in between, this guide will walk you through setting up your inventory system on Monday.com step by step. Let's begin by heading over to the Monday.com homepage. You'll want to start by navigating to your main workspace area. This is where all your projects are visualized on Monday.com's dashboard. It's essentially your command center for everything you're working on. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space, as it's where your inventory management journey begins. Once you're settled in the main workspace, keep an eye out for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. This small yet powerful feature serves as your gateway to creating new projects, or in our case, setting up a new board specifically for inventory management. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. After doing so, hover your mouse over the option that says Board. This action will prompt a context menu to appear with various options, but what you're interested in is starting with a template. Templates in Monday.com are incredibly useful as they provide a structured starting point for a wide range of projects. So, click on Start with Template. Now, in the search bar within the Template Center, type Inventory Management. This is where Monday.com truly shines, offering a plethora of templates for just about anything you can imagine, including inventory management. It's all about finding the right template that suits your specific needs. After searching, you should see an option for an inventory management template. This particular template is designed to help you track stock levels, monitor orders, and generally keep on top of your inventory in an efficient and visually appealing way. It's time to select Inventory Management by clicking on it. Once you've clicked on the Inventory Management template, you'll be taken to a detailed overview page. Here, you can get a sense of how the template works and the kind of features it includes. To proceed, look for an option that says Use Template. Clicking this will add the template to your workspace, and you're almost ready to start customizing it to fit your exact needs. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an inventory management board on Monday.com. From here, the real work begins. You'll want to dive into this template, exploring every nook and cranny, and begin customizing it. Adapt it to match your inventory, add items, define categories, set up alerts for low stock levels, and so much more. The flexibility of Monday.com means you can tailor your inventory management system exactly how you want it. But remember, the key to successful inventory management on Monday.com, or any platform for that matter, is continuous maintenance and updates. Make sure to regularly check your stock levels, update your board with new shipments, and remove items that are no longer available. This way, your Monday.com board will always provide you with a real-time snapshot of your inventory. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips. Utilize the automation features within Monday.com to further streamline your inventory management process. You can set up automatic notifications for when stock levels fall below a certain point or when it's time to reorder certain items. Also, don't forget to explore integrations with other tools you're using. Monday.com plays nicely with many other platforms, which can help centralize your operations and reduce manual data entry. And that's it. How to use Monday.com for inventory management. With this powerful tool at your disposal, you're well on your way to simplifying how you track and control your stock, freeing up more time to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of Monday.com.